Good afternoon. My name is Doug and I'm here to give you some instructions on the 6-way oxygen splitter that we have attached to the Evacu B. The Evacu B is the only product that permits one nurse to evacuate safely 6 infants down the hall and down the stairs. Most of the hospitals that are purchasing the Evacu B purchase it with the Airsplitter, but there are a few that do not purchase it and because of operational requirements. Those operational requirements have changed in some cases, and hospitals come back and say, we want to now purchase the oxygen splitter, and we have documentation on how to install it. There's no tools required. It's quite easy to install the oxygen splitter back on the Evacu B if you don't purchase it right at the same time. So I'm going to show you, this is the way it is shipped. You take this oxygen splitter with the green hose, and I'm going to show you how to hook it up. So we're going to pick up this Evacu B first. I'm going to spin it around, and this is the traditional E-cylinder that you would have in your hospital. And you take that and you would slide it into the cradle that's on the back of the Evacu B, and you would tighten up that knob so the tank is secure. Then you take your green oxygen line and you bring it down and you connect it to the E-cylinder, and you turn the valve on to let the oxygen from the E-cylinder go up through the line to the 6-way splitter. Okay, now we're going to take a closer look at the 6-way splitter that's attached onto the Evacu B. So in an emergency, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the child from the incubator by leaving the cannula attached to the child. You're just going to go to the wall and disconnect the oxygen that's feeding the child right now. You take that child over, you put the child in one of the 6 pockets on the Evacu B, secure the headrest around the child, and you take that oxygen line, you remove one of the black protective covers on the oxygen line, you take the oxygen line, you shove it back over, and then you dial in the liters per minute flow that you require for that infant. Once you've done that for one, you're going to repeat that action 5 more times, so you're providing, if required, oxygen to all 6 of your infants on the Evacu B.